And here we have the ingredients. So
yeah.
there is the onion, garlic, green pepper, saffron.
Yeah, a nice saffron.
Spanish saffron.
Worth its weight in gold.
And this
breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs.
Yeah, very finely. You can see they're very fine.
Yeah, here in Spain it's like this. You don't have the other one. And Spanish ham.
Yeah, well, Galician ham. This is the ham that if you were me, the other two are in the market there. This is the porco celtas. So this is the Spanish cured ham that they're chestnut fed all in wild there. So they're excellent free range. The way they do all their porks, it's excellent. And then we've got our wine that we're going to have here, the blended condado wine, which is made with Albarino. Here, they're an excellent dish. This is a dish excellent for the Holy Year because it's the St. James year, with the scallop shell being one of the symbols of St. James, and I'll tell you why after. When a chef likes their own meal. Yeah, good, good. 5 eyes now. All right, everyone.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
See you.
Adios. Hasta pronto. See you later.